Hello, Michael Lapede here, welcoming you back to our business tips. In this video, we're going to talk about starting a business with bad credits and some tips for you. So if you want to start a business but you don't got credit, this is for you. Having bad credit is one factor that can really keep an entrepreneur from really succeeding a lot of times and starting a business especially. So in this video, we're going to look at some practical ways to secure that funding even if your credit isn't great. So first of all, you need to understand what bad credit is. Having bad credit does not mean you have no option whatsoever. Okay? Typically, lenders will look at your credit score, your payment history, and your debt to income ratio. Okay, those are the three things they usually look for. They might also throw in some extra bonus if you've been with them a long time. They might, if you're right on the border or something. Okay, banks and other traditional financial institutions are strict, but you have the option to consider alternative lenders. So we have our A lenders, our B lenders, our C lenders. So it may cost you more in interest, but there's other lenders out that are willing to take more of a risk on you than the bank will. The bank only takes the least amount of risk. But then as you go down the chain, there's other lenders that are willing to take a higher risk. If your credit is bad, then working on strengthening your areas of your application. So if you know the credit is bad, what are the areas? So when you pull your credit score, you can actually look, and that's business or personal credit score, you can look at what the factors are affecting it, and you can work on those factors. You can also build a strong business plan, present a clear market opportunity, revenue projections, and show what's going to happen, not just what has happened in the past. You want to show them what's going to happen, and they will be apt to lend on that, just like a startup business. There's no history, but here's what I'm going to do. Will you lend me based on what I'm going to do? Present realistic numbers on your cash flow projections. Focus on demonstrating how you'll repay the loan. So when you're doing your forecast, show how the loan is going to be paid back is key for the lender. Working on reducing your existing debt. So if you have other debt, how can I pay down some of that debt or consolidate and maybe do something there? Then, like we talked about, consider alternative financing operations, so secondary lenders, but also maybe government programs. There's different government programs for grants and loans, so you want to look and see what's out there. Do a quick search, see what's available at the time. You may also want to start by reducing funding needs. Maybe you can look and maybe you're only going to qualify for a lower amount. Well, how can I retool things to use the money that I am going to get, right? Focus on building your credit for your business early as much as possible. Most of the people forget about this. They don't think about this when they start a business. Try to, just like you would do on your personal credit, try to build the business credit. Get that early business credit card. Get vendors that are giving you credit term accounts and things like that. Remember, your bad credit does not define your ability to start a successful business. Focus on developing consistency and discipline in your finances. You will get out of the bad credit eventually. This shift is in mindset and will be the foundation for you starting and building your business to know, okay, it's something I got to work on. Let me get to where I need to for now best I can, and then work on for the future. So when I need credit in the future, it then won't be an issue. That's about it for this video. If you got any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Post in the comments below, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.